everyone, this is your Kalpana. Here in this video we are going to learn LCM and we are going to see some problems on LCM. LCM is nothing but least common multiple. The LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest number which is exactly divisible by each of them, which is exactly divisible by each of them. LCM can be calculated by prime factorization method and division method. Okay, so what is LCM? The LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest number which is exactly divisible by each of them. Okay, let's see a problem. Remember the word exactly divisible. Okay, find the LCM of 12 and 20 by prime factorization method. Okay, so here they have given two numbers. So we have to find the LCM of these two numbers, 12, 20. Using prime factorization method, we have to find the LCM of these two numbers. Okay, so 12. 12 is exactly divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12. Again 6 is divisible by exactly divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6. 3 is exactly divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3. 20. So 20 is exactly divisible by 10. 10 is exactly divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10. And 5 is exactly divisible by 5. 5 1s are 5. Okay. So 12 can be written as 12 equals to 2 into 2 into 3. And 20 can be written as 20 equals to 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 into 5. Okay. So here this 2 is common and this is also common. Take 1, 2 and again 1, 2 from these two. Okay. Only 1, 1. And 3 and 5. So LCM of 12 and 20 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. LCM of 12 and 20 is 60. Okay. Again, let's solve this by using division method. Okay. Consider these two numbers 12, 20. So the number must be exactly divisible. 12 and 20 are exactly divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 10s are 20. Again 6 and 10 are divisible by exactly divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. 3 is divisible by exactly divisible by 3. That is 3 1s are 3. But 5 is not exactly divisible by 3. Okay. So we'll bring this 5 to the next row. Okay. So bring this 5 to the next row. Again. 5 is exactly divisible by 5. 5 ones are 5. Okay. So LCM of 12 and 20 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. LCM of 12 and 20 equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So the answer is 60. Okay. Again you can check for 4 in 12. 4 and 12. 4 and 12 are exactly divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12. Again, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. 3 is divisible by exactly divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3. So LCM of 4 and 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12 is your answer. Okay. This is all for now. Hope you all understood. If you have any doubts, just leave your comments below. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.